Duncan Aviation is the largest family-owned business jet provider in the world. With complete maintenance, repair, and overhaul service offerings at 3 full-service facilities, strategically placed regional shops, and mobile technical teams, they help business aircraft operators get the most value from their aircraft ownership. To provide this comprehensive service and support, Duncan Aviation has purposefully invested in building on-site aircraft accessories capabilities, understanding the full impact these components have on an aircraft's performance and availability. Nearly 300 accessory components arrive at their factory-authorized service centers every week for overhaul and repair services. They come from Duncan Aviation's main MRO facilities, fleet operators, and aircraft owners worldwide. Each project is assigned a customer account representative who manages the entire repair process, keeping the customers informed every step of the way through around-the-clock service via phone, email, or online chat. These professionals stand out among other service providers by proactively solving problems, providing complete and accurate quotes, and timely progress updates. Their knowledge, experience, and results are why thousands of operators and flight departments of all sizes make Duncan Aviation their first call, which becomes their only call. A team of bilingual Spanish-speaking customer account reps bring added support to our rapidly growing Latin customer base. Each Duncan Aviation on-site accessories shop has a long list of factory-authorized capabilities, including batteries, wheels, brakes, hydraulics, landing gear services, and a whole lot more. At Duncan Aviation, we stand behind our work, and our support doesn't end when the project is over. It's a continuous commitment to support our customers long after delivery. Between service events, operators can call component tech reps for troubleshooting and technical assistance in all areas. At Duncan Aviation, we are committed to keeping you flying.